A multifunctional suitcase is an incredibly handy travel companion that brings a whole new level of convenience and flexibility to your adventures. Picture this, a suitcase that does so much more than simply hold your belongings. It's like having a travel buddy that's always there to make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. One of the fantastic things about a multifunctional suitcase is its ability to adapt to your unique travel needs. It's designed with customizable compartments, dividers, and panels that let you organize your items exactly how you like. Need a spot for your shoes? No problem. Want to separate your clean clothes from the dirty ones? Consider it done. This nifty feature ensures that everything stays neat, organized, and easily accessible throughout your trip. But wait, there's more. These suitcases are not just about practicality, they also embrace the wonders of technology. Imagine having built-in charging ports or power banks right there in your suitcase, allowing you to conveniently recharge your electronic devices on the go. No more scrambling for outlets at the airport or worrying about your phone running out of battery during your journey. It's all taken care of. And let's not forget about security and peace of mind. Some multifunctional suitcases come with integrated tracking systems that use GPS technology, so you can always locate your suitcase in case it goes on its own little adventure. Plus, with features like digital locks or biometric security measures, you can rest assured that your valuable items are safe and sound. Now, let's talk about versatility. These suitcases are designed to make your life easier in every possible way. Some models have built-in collapsible shelves or garment hangers, ensuring your clothes stay wrinkle-free and organized throughout your trip. Others may feature a dedicated laptop compartment or a removable laptop sleeve for easy access and protection of your tech essentials. And if you suddenly find yourself needing extra storage space, no worries. Many multifunctional suitcases come with expandable compartments or zip-out extensions to accommodate your last-minute shopping finds or souvenirs. On top of all that functionality, these suitcases are incredibly portable and user-friendly. Crafted from durable yet lightweight materials, they strike the perfect balance between strength and maneuverability. With smooth rolling wheels and telescopic handles, you'll glide through airports or bustling streets with minimal effort, making your travel experience that much more enjoyable. But it doesn't stop there. The little details matter too. Many multifunctional suitcases boast exterior pockets or compartments for quick access to your travel documents or essentials like water bottles. Some even have built-in scales to help you keep an eye on your luggage weight, avoiding those pesky excess baggage fees. And with thoughtful design elements like ergonomic handles, reinforced corners, and water-resistant materials, these suitcases are built to withstand the rigors of travel and accompany you on countless adventures. In a nutshell, a multifunctional suitcase is like having a friendly travel companion by your side. It's there to make your journey easier, more organized, and delightful. So pack your belongings, roll it effortlessly, and embark on your next adventure with a smile on your face. Bon voyage!